Hello, friends. Hello, pirates. Let's take a look at, guess what? It's May 1st. I'm me, Giuliano, and we're going to look at the monthly candle on the RUSD. And then we'll, after that, look at our BTC. I've made a different video which has a bit more details. This one's, but I didn't include the monthly candle. So here, like this video while I switch to the share screen. We are moving into this chart. We're going in, right in. All right, this is our USDT, and we're moving into the monthly. Yes, that's right. Look at that thing. So did not a lot of data, okay? But I hope you're doing well. All right. I mentioned Mark Douglas. You know what? Check out Mark Douglas. It's easy to find some of his stuff, and it's just so good. He's just got so much wisdom, market wisdom. He talks a lot about the psychology, and yeah, anyway, get into it. Check that out if you've never before, okay? All right, now look at this monthly candle. Holy moly, woohoo! So we were down in the roughly the 30 cents area with the body up to the close of the about $8 area with the body, and the shadow, yeah, there was, remember the blood here is you know, up to this 15, 16, $17 level. Wow. Now that this is just the beginning, okay? Not to say that it's going immediately up, 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 up. What I'm saying is though, is that doesn't mean it's going all the way back down to 30 cents, okay? Imagine this is a nice strong candle. We'll find out what the next monthly candle will look like, but we are not in any way concerned, okay? In fact, we're enthralled. I'm thrilled. Look at this candle. I finally get to do some price charting here and have a good time with all of this. There's a lot of people interested to know about Pirate Chain, and so thanks for watching. Like the video, share it, comment. Let me know. You know, do you use an indicator or something else, or what is it about Pirate that you like? Appreciate all of those of you who've been commenting already. Again, I'm me, Giuliano. It's the 1st of May. I'm super excited. Okay, I'll share the other video that I made later. It's got a bit more detail. I'm going to, for now, just talk about this candle, high candle. Now I'm going to go over to the weekly chart. Ooh, I'm using getaurox and I'm liking it. Okay, so yes, on the weekly chart, what I wanted to point out is this Bollinger Band. Okay, we're starting to form a Bollinger Band. We're well above the weekly. Currently, the weekly sits at about the $1.20 level, $1.25. But now we've had 3 nice up green candles in a row on the week. Okay, great month, great set of candles. And now the final week of the month, indecision, stalling, neutral, that's fine, because again, these Bollinger Bands, you see how we're above it. We really went above it, okay? And we're gonna at least somehow come back in. Now, does that mean we're gonna come down in price to 3? Maybe. We could be a horrible month. We don't know what's gonna happen. But based on the technicals, more likely is we could probably hang out here for a month. 1, 2, these are weeks, right? So 3, 4. So by here, we are at May 24. Okay, so there are a lot of candles to come. There might be some shadows, some wicks that really reach down low. $3 is not out of the question. If you're using CoinEx or whatever, set some orders down low and see if they get hit. If you're using USDT, also if you have income that you're wanting to save or invest or whatever, none of this is advice, financial advice for me at all. But the idea, I'm just trying to give the education, the idea, some of the ideas of what do you do if you do want to do these things. You want to put them in at good prices, right? Because the idea is buy low, sell high, or maybe never sell at all. But the point is you buy as low as you can. When you go to the store, do you want to buy the best value for the best price, or do you want to buy, you know, everybody has their own thing. I'm not trying to judge anybody, but what I'm trying to say is that's what we're thinking, right? So Have fun with it. Let's watch this month, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks here. And then boom, we're into June. All right. It's not far away. May is 4 weeks of weekly candles. Let's see how it works. Okay. Pay attention. All right. Now we're going to the daily. Okay. On the daily again, look, oh, look at this Bollinger Band. So it was so thin. Okay. It really was. I mean, relatively, it wasn't that thin, but it was relatively thin and it squeezed. And eventually, pop. And look how far down. Look how far down this thing goes. It's crazy. Look at that. That's crazy. Okay. That's how violent and volatile that move went. But it did. It had to. It was its time. And now, boom, nice daily close yesterday. Remember, I came to you with the video and we were hovering around the 20 moving average, and we even went dip below it, and then we held it, and we even by the end of the day, it was crazy. Like 12 hours later, it was awesome. It was up at $7-8, and what a candle close above the 20 average, covering the previous candle, engulfing. Now we're in a bit of a red candle day as well, but it's neutral so far. Let's find out what happens. By the end of the day, if we're back down to $6, well, then we got to pay attention and watch out, okay? But it seems like the move is continue to go up, at least into this $9 level. I see the 9 as a bit of a ceiling here. Well, anywhere through it, really. Yeah, the 8, 9, because we got the price action through here. So there you go. It's going to be interesting for us here. Let's look at some time activity before we move away from this. Because look, the Ichimoku cloud is so far away. We're just flying here. Open air skies, above sea, above the water. Wow, here we go. All right. Yeah, let's take a look. So if we're talking about days, we've done this before. We're going to look at using this. Oh, right. You know, I'm going to say it again. Be careful what you wish for. So I ain't going to say anything. So we look from the bottom of the big wave to the top of the big wave. Okay. And then from there, we look where are some potential turning points on the daily chart. And we're seeing like half of May, so 12 May, and then end of May, well, 31st of May. So that's interesting. Let's see if that plays out. Also remembering that, wow, I hope you're doing well. How are you doing? I hope you're enjoying yourself. This is a good time. Woohoo, what a good time. Whether you just got in and you're just learning, or whether you've been here for a while, thanks for joining. I hope you're getting something out of this. Yeah, look at that, beauty. So we're just looking again for a bit of a retrace. Let's look for the 81, make this a flat, even the 68. So if we can bust above the $10 level and then stay there, then we can really think of this more as a flat. Otherwise, we're going to probably hit this $9 level here and come back down. Okay, not out of the question. All right, make something different. All right, okay, so this will be interesting. This will be fun. Stay with us. We're going to move now to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, still the beauty of it is, like, again, the Bollinger Band, we're above the Bollinger Band 20-day average. We're at the higher end. It's going to start thinning out eventually. The only thing we have here to consider is this moving this dynamic resistance here of the cloud Ichimoku cloud. However, it is starting to twist and flip. So let's see what happens. And the resistance and the supporting trend line are forming a bit of a triangular shape. So let's find out what will it be. Are we going down or are we going up? All right. So that's it for now. I think we're gonna just leave it at that. I hope you enjoy what you're seeing, and I'm gonna come back later with some more videos, okay? Take care. Stay healthy, move around, drink some water, okay? Be well. Peace.